Do you want to sound more natural when you speak English? Are you tired of translating in your head before speaking? Today, I'm sharing the shadowing technique with 200 essential phrases that native speakers use every day. This method will transform how you speak English completely. You'll stop sounding like a textbook and start sounding like a real person. The best part? You can practice this anywhere, anytime, without spending money on expensive courses. Before we start, if you're serious about improving your English, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Shadowing is simple, but incredibly powerful for language learning. You listen to native speech and repeat it immediately, like an echo or shadow. Think of it as becoming someone's linguistic shadow. Native speakers use this technique naturally when they learn new languages. Here's something most English courses won't tell you about fluency. Your brain needs to hear phrases repeatedly before it can produce them automatically in conversations. Shadowing creates this repetition in the most natural way possible. Let me explain exactly why shadowing works so well for English learners. When you shadow native speakers, 3 amazing things happen in your brain simultaneously. First, you train your ears to recognize natural English rhythm and intonation patterns. Second, you practice pronunciation without thinking about complex grammar rules. Third, you build muscle memory for common phrase patterns that natives use. This is actually much easier than you think it is. You don't need perfect pronunciation from day one. You just need to start practicing. Now let's talk about the 200 essential phrases I've selected. These aren't random sentences from outdated textbooks or formal writing. These are phrases native speakers use in real conversations every single day. I've organized them into 5 practical categories that cover most daily situations. Each category contains exactly 40 powerful phrases that will make you sound more natural immediately. Category 1 covers greetings and small talk situations. Instead of saying, "How are you?" try, "How is it going?" or "What's up today?" Native speakers also say, "Long time no see," when meeting old friends unexpectedly. For ending conversations naturally, use "take care" or "catch you later" instead of formal goodbyes. Practice these phrases until they flow naturally from your mouth without thinking. Category 2 focuses on expressing opinions and feelings clearly. Don't just say, "I think" all the time. Try, "I'm pretty sure," or "I have a feeling that" instead. When you disagree politely, soften it with, "I see what you mean, but," or "That's one way to look at it." Native speakers use "to be honest" and "if you ask me" to introduce personal opinions naturally. These phrases make your English sound more conversational and less robotic immediately. Category 3 covers reactions and responses in conversations. Instead of "yes," try "absolutely" or "you bet" for stronger agreement. For showing surprise naturally, use "no way" or "are you serious right now?" When something is completely obvious, say tell me about it, or you can say that again. Don't worry, every English learner struggles with natural reactions at first. With consistent practice, these responses become completely automatic. Here's where shadowing becomes really powerful for your fluency. Choose one phrase and repeat it 20 times with focus. Listen to how native speakers say, "I can't believe it," and copy their exact tone and rhythm. Then, practice it in different situations throughout your day. Maybe someone tells you surprising news tomorrow. Instead of, "Really?" you naturally respond, "I can't believe it." This one change will improve your English dramatically and quickly. If you're finding this lesson helpful, give this video a like and let me know in the comments which phrases you want to practice first. Your engagement helps me create more practical content like this. Category 4 includes asking for help and making polite requests. Native speakers rarely say, "Can you help me?" in casual situations. Instead, they use, "Could you give me a hand?" or "Would you mind helping out today?" For polite requests, try, "I was wondering if," or "Is there any chance you could?" instead of direct commands. These phrases sound much more natural than formal textbook English. Category 5 covers time and scheduling phrases for daily life. Instead of "I am busy," say "I'm tied up" or "I'm completely swamped today." For making future plans, use "Let's touch base later" or "I'll get back to you on that soon." Native speakers also say "I'm running late" instead of "I am late." These small changes make a huge difference in how natural you sound. Start practicing this technique today and you'll see results immediately. Choose 5 phrases from each category I mentioned. Write them down and practice shadowing with YouTube videos or English podcasts. Focus on copying the exact rhythm and intonation, not just words. Don't translate these phrases in your head first. Just repeat them until they become completely automatic. Remember, native speakers didn't learn these phrases from grammar books or classrooms. They learned them by hearing and repeating, exactly like shadowing works. Your brain works the same way as theirs does. Give it enough repetition, and these phrases become part of your natural speaking patterns. The secret is consistency, not perfection in pronunciation. Practice shadowing for just 10 minutes every single day. Choose content slightly above your current level. News broadcasts, TV shows, and YouTube videos work perfectly for this. Listen to a phrase, pause the video, then repeat it exactly. Focus on rhythm more than individual words. This technique builds fluency faster than any grammar exercise. Here's your complete action plan for success. First, pick your favorite 10 phrases from today's lesson. Second, find English content you enjoy watching or listening to regularly. Third, practice shadowing for 10 minutes daily without exceptions. Fourth, use these new phrases in real conversations as soon as possible. The more you use them, the more natural they become. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical English lessons exactly like this one. Hit that notification bell so you never miss new content. Like this video if it helped you and share it with friends who are learning English too. Comment below with the phrase you're most excited to practice. Your English transformation starts with these 200 essential phrases. Stop translating and start shadowing today. Your future confident, natural speaking self will thank you for starting right now.